Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by deciding who you genuinely want to know and why. This focus shapes your approach. Once you identify a setting, make a simple opener, compliment, question, or shared observation to lower barriers. Then, listen actively. Lean slightly forward, paraphrase what they say, and ask one clear follow-up. This shows you value them. When you do these steps, you create immediate rapport and make others comfortable continuing the conversation and wanting more interaction. Once you have their attention, shift to building rapport. Reveal one brief, relevant personal detail to humanize yourself and encourage reciprocity. Make sure to use their name early and mentally note one or two facts so you can reference them later. This signals care. Offer something useful, a helpful tip, an intro, or support, and follow through. By being consistent and dependable, you convert casual interaction into trust, which is the foundation of any lasting friendship. You now move from meeting to maintaining. Propose a specific next step, coffee, a project, or attending an event, and agree on a time. Once done, set simple reminders to check in and celebrate small milestones, which keeps the relationship active. If engagement drops, address it directly and kindly. Ask if schedules changed or needs differ, and adjust expectations. This troubleshooting prevents misunderstandings and either restores momentum or clarifies boundaries, letting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.